Hello, Amazon.com. It's me, Bo Shevisu. I've traveled to 37 different countries around the world. Today, we're in a yurt in Mongolia. This is so cool. Now, the beds are a little hard, so we actually packed along with us this Therm-a-Rest. It does compact down. It's partly filled because I wanted to show you what is unique about this particular Therm-a-Rest compared to other Therm-a-Rests out there. Now, this is not necessarily for winter type camping, so on the snow, but for chilly spring weather or for summer, works magnificently. Now, I grew up with Therm-a-Rest with the small valve that took about 15 to 20 breaths to fill. Now, this one takes maybe 5 or 6 breaths to fill all the way, and that's because it has this wide mouth on there. So I can go, that's amazing. However, it's leaking out. And that's because all you have to do is rotate this, and all of a sudden, it's one way in. Check it out. And it doesn't come out. So if you're at high altitude, and right now we're about 5,000 feet above sea level, and you know, growing up at sea level, I'm a little lightheaded if you're trying to just blast into this as hard as possible, but this allows you to take that breath as you are filling this up. Now, to actually deflate this thing, you simply rotate the little wing, right, like this, and you just undo that, and then very, very easy to deflate. It was warm, it was comfortable. This is among one of the more fluffiest insulated Therm-a-Rests out there. I would recommend if you're on the edge between thin or fluffy thicker, definitely go with the thicker. In the middle of the night, if you've ever woken up at 3:30 in the morning and you're shaking like this because the cold from the ground is making you chilly, that is the number one thing that is gonna make you cold is the ground. So get yourself off the ground. Last thing, what is the number one thing that statistically kills the most people outdoors? Bears, mosquitoes, malaria, hypothermia. So protect yourself from the cold. You will thank me later.